Hey there! If you are having trouble with FaceTime notifications not working on your iPhone, I totally understand how annoying that can be. It might lead to missed calls and messages, which is never fun. This issue could be caused by your notification settings, network problems, or app-specific configurations. No worries though, in this guide I'll share some effective solutions to get your FaceTime notifications back on track. So let's dive in. First things first, make sure we get into the solutions. Let's make sure to check a few things in the control center. Swipe down to open the control center. Then turn off Do Not Disturb under focus mode. After that, disable low power mode. And don't forget to switch off silent mode. Solution 1. Check notification settings for FaceTime. Now open the settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down to find apps. Tap on apps and from the list select FaceTime. Next, tap on notifications. Ensure that allow notifications is turned on. Choose your preferred alert style. You can select banners, alerts, or none. After that, make sure to select sounds from the sound setting. Enable badges as well. Finally, tap on show previews and set this option to always. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Allowing FaceTime to refresh in the background can really enhance notification performance. Open settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Tap on background app refresh. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for both Wi-Fi and cellular data and ensure FaceTime is toggled on. Solution 3. Reinstall FaceTime. If the issue still persists, let's try reinstalling FaceTime. Tap and hold the FaceTime app, then delete it from your iPhone. Open the App Store, look for FaceTime, finally install it again. Solution 4. Offload FaceTime. If there's a problem with the app's data, offloading it can help. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find FaceTime in the list and tap on it. Tap on Offload App, then confirm the action. After offloading, you may need to reinstall FaceTime from the App Store. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Network issues might be affecting your FaceTime notifications. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Just a heads up, this will erase any saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the FaceTime notifications issues on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.